Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 70. Start. Dear sirs, we enclose a description of the building in Spring Street. Full stop. We think this building is an extremely valuable piece of property, and we strongly urge you to buy it. Full stop. It is quite close to the new South Road. Full stop. You can buy it today for a small outlay, and we have no doubt that in a few years it will increase in value. Full stop. We believe, in fact, that in a year or two, property in this district should be worth double its present price. Full stop. Why not inspect it as soon as you possibly can? Question mark. Yours truly, full stop.